Hey, how's it going? Austin here. So, still down in San Pedro, Belize on spring break with my family, but wanted to make a couple of quick videos for you. This one, we're going to talk about kind of what is going on in the overall crypto market. Obviously, you can tell and see and know yourself that crypto is still doing really, really well. Up 14% on Bitcoin, Ethereum is up 8%. The overall market, well back above that $1 trillion mark, and we're currently up 7.7%. As far as kind of the on the stock side of the house, and yes, this is a crypto video, but I want to talk about stocks as well. We are awaiting the CPI, the Consumer Price Index report. That's the inflation report. Now, as of the recording, here we go. Actually, this is brand new, so let me click on this. This is breaking news. So when I started, that wasn't there. So U.S. core CPI tops estimates pressuring Fed as it weighs hike. Okay, so let's see. They were expecting it to be 6%. So it looks like it's come in. Here we go. The overall CPI climbed 0.4% and 6% from a year earlier. So this number right here, the 6%, is the number that we were expecting. That was kind of what was the consensus was calling for, which shows that the overall inflation is slowing down. Excuse me. So inflation is not coming down as fast as we would want it to, and it's slowing its descent. That's what I was trying to say. And so this is the lowest descent that it has had since September of 2021. Okay. And so what does this mean? This means basically that it's going to probably prompt the Federal Reserve FOMC meeting on March 21 and 22 to be definitely a 50 basis point raise. Okay, for sure. But that 6% number right there is, in line with kind of what the expectations were. Now, the overall market as of this, so this is literally breaking as I'm recording this. So let me go here to markets. Okay. So yeah, the Dow is the S&P 500 is down 0.15, Nasdaq still up 0.45. So everything's flat right now. So we'll see if it continues to roll. So keep your eye on that. But crypto itself, see, we were at a 7.7. Let me refresh this. See if it's no. See it's gone up. Okay, so crypto is continuing to rise. We'll see. Have to kind of see later in the day today how that holds up, or if that does in fact kind of keep the trend line. But everything in crypto is moving up really, really nicely. And so this was a big day, or it is a big day for this CPI report to see what and how this all kind of plays out. So you saw it actually me go there live, and that at Bloomberg, it wasn't there when I started recording the video. So it's there now and showing that the CPI numbers come in at 6%, which is kind of what we were expecting it to. So if it had been 6.1 or 6.2, things like that, that might have been viewed negatively, if you will. But right now, it's kind of this was the number we were expecting, and we'll see if it continues to play out this way. So, yeah, that's all I've got for you right now. As always, I appreciate you, and thanks for giving me a few minutes of your time. I'll see you. Have a good one. Bye.